I actually got this prime protein as a gift, and honestly I didn't expect much at first. But after using it for a couple of weeks, I surprised me. The strawberry flavor tasted clean, not too sweet, not theatrical, more like real strawberries. I usually mix it with water or pour in into a smoothie, and it blends super easy without clumps. What I really like is that it doesn't feel heavy or bloated after it. It's simple. One scoop gives me the same amount of protein as a slice of steak. So, one busy days it saves make a lot of time. I've been taking it after the gym or even in the morning when I need something quick, and it gives me a nice strategy boost without all the extra junk a lot of powdered have. If you want something clean, simple, and actually good, testing this beef based protein is way better than expected.